We have 3 poles. The ones that have the screws go on the bottom base. Doesn't matter which direction. I mean, like bottom or top. Put your thumb on the back to put pressure and then screw it on. Have the openings face each other. Put it like this. There we go. Got the umbrella for the flash, the screw for the flash, and this is the photo booth head. This one has a cut right here, because that's where the this one doesn't have it, but it goes right in there. This goes right on top. There we go. And then open it from the back. Get all the cables out. This is for the flash. Goes to the top. This power cord is for the flash. And then the other 2 cables for the printer, and this is the main power to power everything up. Feed them in through the cutout. There you go. And then in the photo booth bin, you're gonna have the long power cord to run it to the wall outlet. Got a short extension cord for the printer. What you're gonna do is run the printer USB cable and the power together. Your power cord there. So now that it's hooked up, you got your run for the power, you can run it to the outlet and then close this off, and then you're gonna grab the flash. It's gonna fade, unscrew it from the bottom, screw it back in. It's gonna be facing opposite way than the tablet. Got your power, and this is the control for the flash. Okay, that's the flash, and then the umbrella for the flash goes on that stick right there. pressure goes right in. Now the printer's the base. This one also has a cutout here, which gets inside of the screw. Some of them don't have it, some of them do. Just like that. Throw them off to one side. Do it this way, that way you can see. Power, and then a USB cable right in. Turn off. Okay, so just hooked it up to power. Turn on the flash. It's always supposed to be at 2.0, just like that. And that printer has a green light because it's ready to go. And then just throw the cover over it, and then here's the tray. To turn on the tablet, the button is down there. Push it for like 2 seconds and it should come right on. Here's the control. Here's the off, on button for the control. Here we go. The password is 1005 to log in. And then this is the program, the one with the red B. Click on it. And then you want, here are all the event names. So the event name that I gave you should be in here for that day. And let's say, so let's say your event is Areli something. You're gonna click on that. It's gonna go here. If it doesn't show you this, go to the settings and then click on there and then hit output and it'll show you. The only check marks you'll see is the check mark for the printout size, and the check mark to text it to your phone, and the check mark to save it to a folder. So once you have it and ready to go, hit start. And then once you tap it, it's gonna start the photo booth. So perfect. So right now it's not working. It doesn't show you live view screen, but that's probably because the way that we turned it all on. So you hit escape on the keypad and then turn off the camera, turn it back on, and then we're gonna hit the X to close the program, turn it back on. What happens sometimes, the camera goes to sleep. So now we got it back up. Hit start. You can hear the camera going. Now I give you a live view. It's gonna count down. 2, 1. The flash goes off on the top, and there you go. So once it takes all 3 pictures, you can enter their carrier and then their phone number. If they enter their phone number and then hit enter, it's going to give them that error message. So hit OK, then have them select their carrier and then hit enter. And then it's ready to go again. Since it was too bright, 1/100 is usually a good number. It depends on the place. Right here, you can turn it, and when you turn that, it changes the number to 125, 160. The higher the number, the darker it gets. The lower the number, the brighter the picture is. So it's usually 100 or 125 is a good picture quality. You'll have to test it out. So for the controller, the charger is right here to charge it, just in case it doesn't light up. And then most of them have a charger for the iPhone. And this cable right here, this is for the camera to give you the live view. That one should always be connected. This is for the camera that goes up. This one, that little dongle is for the keypad, and this is the USB cable for the printer. The charger for the tablet is here. Some of them have some of the tablets charger have a bigger power supply, and sometimes it falls off. So if the tablet is not charging or is kind of dark, just make sure it's connected. And then here it has a little white light that should light up if it's charging. Okay, now to break it all down, you can quit the program, turn off the tablet, shut down, and then take up the umbrella, this, we'll leave it here on the side. Let's put away the umbrella, the flash, I mean. This. Put away the printer. The tray goes inside here. And then gotta put all the cables back in here. This goes here. And then the two cables that are going down. Now that everything is inside of the head, lift it up. There you go. Put your finger here, or two fingers. Kind of halfway in.